Hello, I am Dr. Shamandar, Associate Professor Botany. आज जो हम पढ़ेंगे MSc फाइनल का 8 पेपर है, जिसे हम बोलते हैं एडवांस्ड प्लांट इकोलॉजी। जो सबसे पहले है सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग डेजर्ट, क्या उसकी परिभाषा है, किस साइंटिस्ट ने क्या क्या कहा गया है उसके बारे में, और उसकी करेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है, लक्षण क्या हैं, इसी के बारे में अध्ययन करेंगे। तो उसका थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन क्या है उस बारे में हम थोड़ा चर्चा कर लेते हैं। डेजर्ट्स, the rise of engineering biotechnology has changed the face of Earth. It has led to enormous increase in material goods and biotypes. The natural resources, energy, water minerals, soil, water, air, plants and animals are assessed in materialistic way. In the same way, unproductive lands are termed wasteland or desert. Approximately one third of Earth's land surface has scarcity of water. Some of these arid and semi-arid regions like Sahara and Kalahari in Africa, the Thar in India and Pakistan, the Great Australian Desert, Mojave Desert in the United States, the Gobi Desert in Mongolia, Patagonia in South America, etc. The idea of desert prevalent among laymen is of sandy land, simmering temperature, mirages, no water, inhabitable land for plants and animals. Deserts remained neglected for a long time in the history of mankind. This antipathy to desert is very much evident in Latin word desert, which means abandoned. One common characteristic of hot and polar deserts in their aridity throughout or most of the year. On humid days, less solar heat penetrates the ground, but the loss from the earth by radiation at night is also much less. The hot and cold deserts consist of a combination of aridity and high or low temperature, and these two have been studied most extensively. Deserts are dynamic systems having growth, stabilization, and decay, which should naturally leave evidence in the texture and structure of landscape patterns. The desert area is expanding annually at an alarming rate due to misuse of environment. For this reason, a study of desert is important. The study of adaptation of plants and animals to life in arid regions provides a rewarding subject for basic research. Now we'll study the characteristics of desert. We call also general characteristics of the desert. One third of the world land surface is in the grip of desert. It is characterized by climatic, topographic, edaphic, and biotic factors. First one is aridity. It is one and common characteristics of all deserts throughout most or all of the year. Second one is extreme of temperature, fluctuation in day and night temperature and also in seasons. Humidity, low humidity during the day and completely high in night. Fourth one is precipitation. Precipitation deficiency in the main feature of desert. Next one is drought. Drought, in other words, the effective aridity is the main concept of desert. It is temporary or permanent guest of desert. Next one is high wind velocity. Next one is sparsity of cloud cover. Eighth one is absence of water vapor in air. Ninth one is solar radiation very intense. 10th point, the number of sunshine hours are very large. 11th one is potential evaporation highest. 12th number is soil available in this region like loose, sandy, devoid of organic carbon, nitrogen, moisture, etc. Next one is biological soil is absent in most of deserts. That is mirages. Mirage is a phenomenon of an optical illusion of hot and windless day. The annual seasons of plant growth is extremely short. Scarcity of water in hot deserts, but on the other hand, in polar deserts, water is present throughout the year as frozen and therefore not available to plants and animals. Vegetation is scarce and animals face shortage of food. Occasional migration of whole population as a result of catastrophes such as prolonged drought or destructive floods. Isolation exposed to the sun rays is absent in winter and intense in continuous in summer. Next, last one, human population density is very less. It is a general characteristic of desert. कैसे इसको हम परिभाषित करेंगे, क्या इसका शब्द को दिया गया है, कैसे बनाया गया है, इनके क्या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स रहे हैं, ये एक सामान्य इंट्रोडक्शन है और इसी के आधार पर हम आगे पढ़ेंगे डेजर्ट का फॉर्मेशन या सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी हमारा टॉपिक अवेलेबल हैं और इसकी जो अलग अलग साइंटिस्ट के द्वारा डेफिनेशंस दी गई हैं उनका क्लासिफिकेशन है, उसके बारे में हम अगले उसमें टर्न पे पढ़ेंगे।